My freezer needed a new shelf. The old one broke. I searched for a replacement. This Maigoo W2169921 Glass Shelf for Whirlpool. Amana Freezers caught my eye. It seemed like a good fit. I liked the description. It promised compatibility. Moreover, it was glass. Glass is easy to clean. My old shelf was wire. Wire shelves let small items fall. This glass shelf looked sturdy. It was a clear solution. Thus, I ordered it. Installation was a breeze. First, I unboxed the shelf. Then, I slid it into place. It fit perfectly. It felt like magic. My freezer instantly looked better. The new glass shelf for Whirlpool. Amana Freezers transformed my freezer. It added so much space. Now, I can organize items better. Small jars stand upright. They don't tip over. This shelf is a game changer. Furthermore, it feels durable. It is strong and clear. This is a vast improvement. I am really happy. This Maigoo W2169921 Glass Shelf for Whirlpool. Amana Freezers is excellent. It replaces many models. These include 2,169,921 and 2,163,842. It is 24 inches by 16 inches big. This size is standard. Therefore, it fits many freezers. It's like finding a lost treasure. The shelf is clear glass. It brightens the freezer. It makes everything visible. Consequently, finding food is easier. No more hidden items. This shelf is a real asset. I highly recommend it. It's a clear winner. Pros: made of tempered glass, high hardness material, reinforced construction, thickened for durability, enhanced load capacity, quick repair possible, easy to slide into slot, fast installation, simple to install, OEM standards compliant. Cons: may differ in appearance, no instructions provided, risk of breakage during install, exact fit not guaranteed, limited warranty. Info: features: fits multiple brands, compatible with Whirlpool, works with Maytag, suitable for Amana. Kenmore freezer compatible, measures 24 by 16 inches, replaces part 2,169,921. Also replaces 2,163,842. Alternative to 2,168,970 can replace 2,173,299. The Maigoo W2169921 freezer glass shelf is a replacement part. It fits many brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, and Kenmore freezers. The shelf measures 24 by 16 inches. It can replace several different part numbers, including 2,169,921, 2,163,842, 2,168,970, and 2,173,299. This freezer glass shelf replacement, the Maigoo W2169921, is made of tough, tempered glass for strength and can replace several part numbers including 2,169,921. It's designed to be durable and hold heavy items. And it's quick and easy to install since it slides right into place. However, it doesn't come with instructions. Might look a little different than your original shelf, and there's a chance it could break during installation or might not be an exact fit.